you take me home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Storybook Crochet. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet a super cute baby hat, perfect for ages 0 to 3 months. This pattern is beginner friendly. It works up quickly and makes a great last minute gift or addition to your baby essentials. I'll also have links in the descriptions for other sizes from newborn all the way up to 2 years old. So you can crochet a whole set if you would like. Let's grab our yarn and hooks and we'll get started. For materials today, I am using a weight for worsted yarn in pink, but obviously you can use any color you're wanting to create your 0 to 3 month baby hat. I am also using an H hook. This is a US H hook and it's 5 millimeters. You will need a pair of scissors and you will also need a yarn needle to weave in your ends at the end of your project. Alright, so to begin, we're going to start by making a magic ring. To do this, I lay the end of the yarn across 3 fingers and then I wrap it around, crossing over the top. Once you have that, you're going to take your hook, go underneath, grab that top piece, and pull up a loop. I then just hold this onto my hook and then chain 1, and that will secure your ring. Alright, so after you have your chain 1 complete, we're going to make 8 half double crochets into our ring. So to make your first half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, I'll show you that slowly one more time. Alright, so there's 2 half double crochets and you'll need 8 total. Alright, once you have your 8 made, this is what it should look like. You're then going to take that short tail there and just pull on that. And that will close that opening, and this completes the very top of our hat. So to finish off round number 1, we're going to slip stitch to the very first half double crochet that we made, and then we'll chain 1. And you will do that at the end of every single round. You'll slip stitch to the first one made and chain 1. Alright, so moving on to round number 2, we're going to make 2 half double crochets in every single stitch. This is also called an increase. So you'll start by making your first half double crochet in the same stitch as your chain. And then you'll put 1 more half double crochet in that same stitch. And you'll just repeat that all the way around until you have a total of 16 half double crochets for round number 2. Alright, moving on to round number 3, we're going to start by making 1 half double crochet in our first stitch. And then you're going to increase in the second stitch. So put your 2 half double crochets in that second stitch. And then you're just going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So 1 half double crochet and then increase. And then 1 half double crochet and then increase. And you'll just keep repeating that around until you have a total of 24 half double crochets at the end of round number 3. For round 4, we're going to start by making 2 half double crochets. So 1 half double crochet in our first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the second stitch, and then you'll make your increase in the third stitch. So same as the last round, but this time we're doing 2 half double crochets and then increasing. So just repeat that around until you have a total of 32 half double crochets for round number 4. Moving on to round 5, this time we're going to make 3 half double crochets. So 1 half double crochet in the first stitch as our chain, 1 in the next, and 1 in the next, and then in the fourth stitch you'll make your increase. So again, that's 3 half double crochets and then increase in the fourth stitch, and at the end of this round you should have a total of 40 half double crochets made. Alright, and round 6 is going to be our last increase round, and this time we're going to make 4 half double crochets, and then we'll increase in the fifth stitch. Alright, so finish that pattern around of 4 half double crochets and increase in the fifth, and then you will have a total of 48 half double crochets at the end of round number 6. Alright, so this finishes off the crown of our hat. So next we're going to work up the sides, and for that we're just going to be putting 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. So you will do this for rounds 7 through 14. That's going to be 8 total rounds, just putting 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. You don't want to forget at the end to make your slip stitch and chain 1 to complete each round that you make. So work your rounds through round number 14, and then we'll meet back to finish off the very last round of our baby hat. Alright, so we've finished through round 14. This is what our hat should look like at this point, and we have 1 round left to go for the base of our hat, and we're going to do that a little bit different than we have been doing the rest of the rounds. So we're going to be working in the front post and back post, still making half double crochets, but I'll show you how to create this, this edging effect that we're wanting for the base of our hat. So you're going to yarn over like normal, and then for the first stitch we're going to go in between the post of the last stitch and the first stitch that we made. And then you're just going to insert your hook behind the post. Grab your yarn and pull that through and make your half double crochet. Alright, so that makes our stitch in front of the post here. So that's our front post half double crochet. So the next one we're going to do the opposite. So you're going to yarn over, go behind your piece and up through the last stitch we just made in your next stitch. And then you're going to go over that post and then go behind it. So it looks like this. Alright, and then you'll grab your yarn, pull that through, and make your half double crochet. And then we're just going to alternate those 2 stitches. So again, you're going to go behind this post, make your half double crochet, and then the next one you're going to go up in front of the next post. Alright, and I'll show you that one more time slowly. Okay, so you'll just repeat that pattern around, alternating front post and back post half double crochets until you have a total of 48 stitches for our very last round of this hat. Once you've finished your last stitch there, we're just going to go ahead and slip stitch to the first stitch that we made of this round. And we're going to finish that off. So just kind of pull that tail out a little bit, cut a shorter tail as we're just going to weave this in. Okay, so that's finished off. And then you'll just grab your yarn needle here. All right, and I just come down through that first front the first front post stitch here. Okay, and then maybe up through this next row. It'll be row 14 or round 14. And then I just go back and forth a few times with my yarn. And that just gets it good and secure, so if you have to wash this hat or something, that won't come undone. Okay, and then just snip your tail, and then you can also weave in the center tail here a few times just to finish that off as well. And that's it. Your adorable 0 to 3 month baby hat is all finished. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to check the description for links to the other sizes so you can crochet a full set as your little one grows. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet projects, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one.
Won't you take me home?